Today we'll show you how to change low quality in Photoshop to high quality. Okay, just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First, open your Photoshop and this is our picture. Did you see this? Our picture. Okay, just now go to this image here and click and go now to image size, or you can do with L Control A. Okay guys, just now click and here put like 2000 like this. Okay, and like this, and go to resolution and put it is 300. Okay guys, and click the this automatic. This is a pixels, not centimeter or like this, only pixels. Okay, and now click to OK like this, and now we will back. Oh, so high quality guys. Just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.